Welcome back to Stock Studios, your portal to the captivating world of business and finance. We delve into the stories behind the brands, the entrepreneurs who dared to dream, and the innovations shaping our world. Today we embark on an exciting journey through time and investment, exploring the remarkable rise of Stripe. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let us know in the comments which companies you'd like us to feature next. Your suggestions fuel our passion to uncover the stories that matter. Prepare to be inspired as we unravel the tale of Stripe, a company that revolutionized online payments and continues to shape the future of finance. From humble beginnings to global dominance, Stripe's journey is a testament to the power of innovation and entrepreneurial spirit. Get ready to dive deep into the world of Stripe, where we'll explore its origins, its impact on the tech and financial landscapes, and its potential as an investment opportunity. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind this financial titan, and perhaps discover your next big investment along the way. Our story begins in 2009, not in the bustling heart of Silicon Valley, but on the picturesque shores of Ireland. Two brothers, Patrick and John Collison, still teenagers, found themselves frustrated with the complexities of accepting online payments. The existing systems were clunky, cumbersome, and developer-unfriendly. Driven by a desire to simplify the process, they embarked on a mission to build a better solution. Armed with their coding skills and an unwavering belief in their vision, they set out to create a payment platform that was elegant, seamless, and accessible to businesses of all sizes. Their journey began in a humble garage, a familiar setting for countless tech startups that have gone on to achieve greatness. Fueled by late-night coding sessions and an unyielding determination, the Collison brothers laid the foundation for what would become a global tech giant. Little did they know that their creation would transform the world of online commerce. The early days of Stripe were marked by relentless effort and an unwavering focus on building the perfect product. The Collison brothers poured their hearts and minds into crafting a payment platform that was as intuitive as it was powerful. They meticulously refined every detail, ensuring that Stripe would be a developer's dream. Word of their innovative platform spread quickly through the developer community. Stripe's user-friendly interface and robust API made it a favorite among tech-savvy entrepreneurs and businesses eager to embrace the digital revolution. Early adopters praised Stripe for its simplicity and reliability, a stark contrast to the cumbersome payment systems of the past. As Stripe's reputation grew, so did its user base. The company quickly gained traction among startups and small businesses, empowering them to accept payments online with ease. The Collison brothers had tapped into a powerful need in the market, and Stripe was perfectly positioned to capitalize on the burgeoning world of e-commerce. Stripe's early success did not go unnoticed by the venture capital world. Investors were drawn to the company's innovative technology, its rapidly growing user base, and the Collison brothers' clear vision for the future of online payments. Seed funding poured in, providing Stripe with the resources it needed to scale its operations and expand its reach. In 2011, Stripe secured a significant investment from Sequoia Capital, a renowned venture capital firm known for backing transformative tech companies. This pivotal moment marked Stripe's arrival as a major player in the tech industry, validating the company's potential and fueling its ambition to become a global leader in online payments. With Sequoia's backing, Stripe gained access to not only capital but also invaluable mentorship and industry connections. This strategic partnership propelled Stripe into a new phase of growth, enabling the company to expand its team, refine its product, and accelerate its global expansion. Armed with a superior product and a growing war chest, Stripe embarked on an ambitious journey to conquer the global market. The company expanded its operations beyond its San Francisco headquarters, establishing a presence in key markets around the world. Stripe's international expansion was fueled by a deep understanding of local nuances and a commitment to providing tailored solutions to businesses in different regions. Stripe's global reach extended beyond geographical boundaries. The company recognized the importance of supporting a wide range of currencies and payment methods, making it easier for businesses to transact with customers worldwide. This commitment to inclusivity and accessibility further solidified Stripe's position as a global leader in online payments. As Stripe's global footprint expanded, so did its impact on the tech industry. The company's innovative platform became the backbone of countless online businesses, empowering entrepreneurs and developers to build and scale their ventures with ease. Stripe's seamless payment processing and robust developer tools fueled a wave of innovation, enabling the creation of new business models and digital experiences. Stripe's relentless pursuit of innovation extended beyond its core payment processing capabilities. The company recognized that the needs of businesses were evolving, and it responded by developing a suite of products and services designed to address emerging challenges and opportunities in the digital economy. Stripe's expansion into areas like fraud prevention, billing management, and business financing showcased the company's commitment to providing comprehensive solutions for its growing customer base. These new offerings not only strengthened Stripe's value proposition, but also solidified its position as a trusted partner for businesses navigating the complexities of the digital world. Stripe's foray into new markets and product categories was a testament to the company's agility and adaptability. The Collison brothers instilled a culture of experimentation and innovation within Stripe, encouraging employees to explore new ideas and push the boundaries of what was possible in the world of online commerce. Stripe's influence extended far beyond its own products and services. The company's platform became an integral part of the broader tech ecosystem, powering a vast network of online businesses, platforms, and marketplaces. Stripe's technology enabled the seamless flow of funds, data, and transactions, fueling the growth of the digital economy. Stripe's API, renowned for its developer friendliness and robust functionality, became a standard in the tech industry. Developers flocked to Stripe, integrating its payment processing capabilities into their applications, websites, and platforms. This widespread adoption of Stripe's technology cemented its position as a cornerstone of the digital world. Stripe's impact on the tech ecosystem was further amplified by its strategic partnerships with other tech giants. The company collaborated with companies like Amazon, Google, and Shopify, integrating its payment solutions into their platforms and extending its reach to millions of businesses and consumers worldwide. Stripe's platform played a crucial role in enabling the rise of the platform economy. Online marketplaces, ride-sharing services, and countless other digital platforms relied on Stripe's technology to facilitate transactions, manage payments, and ensure a seamless experience for their users. Stripe's robust infrastructure and scalable solutions provided the foundation for these platforms to grow and thrive. Stripe's contribution to the platform economy extended beyond simple payment processing. The company's sophisticated tools for fraud prevention, identity verification, and risk management helped platforms maintain trust and security, protecting both businesses and consumers from malicious actors. Stripe's commitment to building a safe and reliable payment ecosystem fostered confidence in the digital economy. Stripe's role in powering platforms extended to the world of creators and entrepreneurs. The company's simple and accessible tools empowered individuals to monetize their passions, build online businesses, and participate in the digital economy. Stripe's technology democratized access to online commerce, enabling anyone with an internet connection to become a seller, a creator, or an entrepreneur. Stripe's journey has been marked by a relentless pursuit of innovation and a deep understanding of the evolving needs of businesses in the digital age. The company's vision extends beyond simple payment processing, encompassing a broader ambition to reshape the future of finance. Stripe's foray into areas like lending, corporate cards, and treasury management signaled its intention to become a comprehensive financial services provider for businesses of all sizes. The company's integrated platform offered businesses a centralized hub for managing their finances, streamlining operations, and gaining greater control over their financial well-being. Stripe's vision for the future of finance is rooted in a belief that technology can empower businesses and individuals to achieve their financial goals. The company's commitment to building intuitive, accessible, and powerful financial tools reflects its desire to democratize access to financial services and level the playing field for businesses of all sizes. Stripe's remarkable journey from a garage in Ireland to a global tech titan has captivated the attention of investors worldwide. The company's innovative technology, its vast reach, and its ambitious vision for the future of finance have made it a highly sought-after investment opportunity. As a private company, Stripe's financial performance and valuation remain closely guarded secrets. However, industry experts and analysts closely track the company's progress, recognizing its potential to disrupt traditional financial institutions and reshape the global payments landscape. Investing in Stripe, even indirectly through funds that hold stakes in the company, is a bet on the future of innovation. The company's relentless pursuit of new technologies, its ability to adapt to changing market dynamics, and its unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction make it a compelling choice for investors seeking exposure to the transformative power of technology. Stripe's story is a testament to the power of innovation, entrepreneurial spirit, and a relentless focus on solving real-world problems. From humble beginnings, the company has grown into a global tech giant, reshaping the world of online payments and leaving an indelible mark on the tech and financial landscapes. Stripe's journey is far from over. The company's ambitious vision for the future of finance, its commitment to empowering businesses and individuals, and its unwavering pursuit of innovation suggests that the Stripe revolution is only just beginning. As we conclude our exploration of Stripe, we invite you to consider the possibilities. What new innovations will emerge from Stripe's labs? How will the company continue to shape the future of finance? And how might you, as an investor, participate in this exciting journey? The answers to these questions lie in the future, but one thing is certain. Stripe's story is one worth watching closely.